Hi, welcome to GarageDoorWeatherSeal.com. Here's a brief video giving you a better look at one of our PVC bottom retainers. This is a 1 3/4 wide bottom retainer. This accepts our 1/4 inch T style weather seal. 1/4 inch across, forms a T, folds into a U. These flat retainers are great for not only mounting on the bottom of a door for this, but also mounting this way for a vertical application. Real simple, just drill some holes in them wherever appropriate and run screws in and mount it either this way or that way. And then it's just simply slide the weather seal in. And with this type of retainer that accepts the 1/4 inch T-style weather seal, you've got a lot of options in the weather seal itself. This is a gray vinyl 3-inch wide weather seal. We have these in black, we have them in rubber, we have them in some different materials, different configurations. We have them in 4-inch wide, 6-inch wide. So as you can see, a combination of weather seal and retainer, we can help you seal just about anything. Thanks.